Hello guys, welcome to TechEvy.com, your solution providers. My name is Jack and today I will show you a cool Adobe After Effects tutorial. There is this plugin effect called plexus. I found it the other day and it is really cool and I wanted to make a tutorial about it. So let's start right away. Okay, first we create our composition. 9020 by 1080 is good, about 10 seconds long. And let's create our background, a solid. And now we need a text to apply the plexus to it. This should be our text. But before that, let's put a ramp to the background. A radial ramp, not a linear one. And let's change the colors. The start color should be blue, and the end color should be a much darker blue. Of course, that is a matter of taste. You can do whatever you like. There is no limits, just your imagination. Now let's drag this anchor point to the middle and the bottom anchor point lower. That's better. Okay, now we are ready to apply the plexus effect to our text. And you see this complexity over here. It's like plexus is a program on its own. We need to play with all those attributes to get the result we want, and trust me, there is much more than that. So, okay, so first let's add a geometry. Text is not a layer, it is a path, so we need to add a path geometry, and already you can see the text. Now let's add a noise effector, a container effector, and a transform effector, and a point renderer, a lines renderer, and let's maybe also a triangulation renderer, yes, and a beams renderer maybe. No, I don't think I like the beams renderer. No, not for now. So okay, now we go down here and we start messing with all those functions. First we turn the points of each mask at 40, and let's see, let's go to the replication and make the total number of copies up to 4, and I will increase the extrude depth to 1000. Of course, that is just my opinion. You can experiment yourself and come out with your own results. Okay, so we can start animating our project now. Let's go to the noise effector and turn off the transform plexus. Now let's turn off the point renderer. Okay, so now we are ready to start animating our text. So let's turn off the triangulation renderer to see what is happening over here, and let's go to the noise effector Actually, maybe we should start with a replication over here. Let's make the extrude depth from, let's see, let's make the extrude depth about 2000. No, maybe a bit more, 2500. Yes, that's better. And okay, that's good. Now let's move a few frames after that, maybe about 2 seconds, or maybe 2 seconds and a half, and turn that to let's see, 1800. Yeah, that looks good. And 2 seconds after that, maybe let's see, 900, and then suddenly, like much quicker than the time before, much quicker than 2 seconds, it should go down to about 0. Or now, I think it should be somewhere, yes, somewhere around 25 looks good. Now, don't forget to easy ease again, and possibly tell you how important that is. You can either do it by right-clicking Keyframe Assistant and easy ease, or by pressing F9, which is the shortcut. So what we have so far is I don't know if you can see this, but I can see a preview of the text narrowing down, and it's still just the beginning, guys. Okay, so now it's time to mess with the noise effector. Let's go back to 0 seconds to the start of the project, and let's play with the noise amplitude. Okay, this is where the real plexus effect begins. We should take that to 2000. Yes, that's more like it. And then go here to 4 seconds and make it 0. Now moving on, we go to the, let's see, now we can go to the points renderer and put a keyframe here to the point size. But that should start at 2, right over here. Put a keyframe here, and at the finish it should be around, let's say, 4. Looks like a good number. Maybe 430. No, I don't know. No, I like 430 better. Okay, again, easy ease. So far, so good. We're done with the point renderer, and okay, now we can go to the triangulation now we can go to the triangulation renderer, where we can animate the maximum distance. But first, let's turn that on again. Good. We can animate the maximum distance. Let's make it a bit more than 100, maybe 150 is good, or not. That doesn't look that good. Maybe 75, or let's see, 80. I'm sorry, I'm just too picky. I know, but I want a great result. So I'm not sure I want more than 100 but less than 99, so that's gonna be a tough call to make. You know what? I think I'm just gonna leave it at 90 after all. Yes. And then go here to the end of the animation and turn it down to 40, or even better, 25. Yes, that's more like it. Okay, so again, you know the drill. We ease the keyframes to get a more smooth result, and we're done with a triangulation renderer as well. Now we are ready to go to the lines renderer, where let's see, let's animate the maximum distance over here. Uh, Again, I'm not sure for the number, but I'm pretty sure we'll find it somewhere along the lines. I think that's too much. I'm over exaggerating. Maybe 135 or 120. I don't know. I think I will keep it there for now. But okay, here's the trick. We want to keep the maximum distance for this renderer. Okay, here's the trick. We want to keep the maximum distance for this renderer at 120 until about here. So we'll put a keyframe here as well with the same value, and then at the end of the animation it should go down to, I don't know, let's say 50. That way we get a smoother result. Uh, and of course we can't forget the easy ease. And that's the basic animation. Well done, guys. Uh, it is a great job. It is okay, let's preview this for a second to see what we've made so far. I'm sorry it's taking more than expected. I will let the preview be done and I'll be back to you. Okay, so that's with a basic animation. Now we can do a few more things to spice things up, like mess with the color over here. maybe something between pink and red. Something like that. What do you think? I don't know. It looks good to me. And we can search for more effects like glow, and we can choose glow to stylize our effect. Here we go. That's so much better. See? It's a great result done in no time. So that's the plexus, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will do my best to reply. Visit techiv.com for more tricks and tips, and until next time, take care.